how to turn on multi-guest request on TikTok Live. So if you want to turn on the multi-guest request on TikTok Live, then what you need to do is first open up your TikTok application. And the first step is going to be logging into your TikTok account. So make sure to log into your TikTok account and go with the profile option, which is on the bottom right. And after that, simply go with the plus icon, which is on the bottom middle. So tap on the plus icon and then you will get the live option. You can simply go with the live. So in my case, I don't have the live option. I only have the post, template, these two options, but you'll have the live option. You can simply swipe to go to your live and start your live. It will take 3 seconds to start. And once you've started your live, now the next step is going to be tapping on the bottom left, which has that guest option. Once you tap on the guest option, then here you will be able to have the invite option. You should be taken to the page where you just need to simply go with the upper right, which will have the settings option. You can simply go with the settings. Under settings, you'll get an option to toggle on, which is allow request from viewers. You just need to simply go with that because that's very important. And with that, you will be able to turn on your multi-guest request on your TikTok Live. So that's how you can turn on. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.